Hi, I'm Sunny from Winnipeg, Manitoba. I'm reviewing the Moen Ignite showerhead combo, which I have put to the test by Canadian Tire Tested for Life in Canada program. It has a different kind of mode functions of the shower. I like the massage function, which I can show you. Then I will show you the some another function, a rain shower function. It's also very nice. I like it. A full rain shower now, which is awesome. It has the pressure mode. If you want to use some pressure mode, this is the nice one. If only one thing, if I want to change in this, I will reduce a little bit size of it, or just little, not much. Rest everything is so nice. It's a great product. I would definitely recommend Moen Ignite shower head combo to family and friends. It's a nice product. I like it. I know you will like it. Thank you.